welcome to another YouTube video today, and we are just gonna have another video on part 2.
Yeah, part 2 of the RC car.
Alright, Trevor ran over the bushes.
Time to, well, you already seen we tested it out. So, what now we're gonna test out the suspension. Watch this. So we got bikes here. We're gonna see which one could make it flip over. That's gonna be really hard, but we're gonna try it. Put it all the way back here, so we get perfect. Okay, let's go. Come on. We're gonna turn like this. Well,
Oh my god.
it's not gonna work.
Yeah. Why don't we try to run over the other roof though? I made a farting noise. Do that again. Okay. Stay close to it. Oh, I didn't make that. Oh.
Okay, guys, that was funny, but it's time to do something else. Okay, let's try
Stay Pops is gonna die! Oh my god! Stay Pops, you're so fat. You look at his eyes. He wants to murder me someday. Fat hands. He's even picking his nose. I mean, like, it's so gross right now. You can tell.
Watch this!
Ugh.
Wait.
Why are you in his way now?
It can go through his legs. Watch this, guys.
What? Dude. We tip him over again. He's shaking like a fatty. Fat.
Okay, listen, guys. It's time to test it. It's time to do the climbing test. So we're gonna see what rock hits this over. So we're gonna do that one.
Let's get to it. Get over! Get over! Yeah! Oh!
Oh,
The
yeah.
RC car. Oh my gosh, it's so rock hard.
Yeah.
You
That.
can see these things right there holds it down.
Yeah.
And some in the back. So we're gonna keep it shut.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Dude, that thing will no. No.
It can only go through anything but
Look
water.
at that car. It's so cool.
It can only go through puddles. That's it. Just a puddle. Just a puddle. Come on, it's my turn.
No! Oh my god, it almost went in the ditch, you guys. That was so cool. Lucky saved that thing.
Yeah. Okay. What?
By the way, can I try this out? Or you can hold it. Okay. So, yeah, this is like awesome.
This is legit.
So legit. It's like if you don't do anything, it's at low battery. Your candle is at low battery. It don't matter.
But check if the car is too close. Look.
How far?
Oh, no.
Turn around, turn around.
Dude, that was epic. Okay.
Alright, let's end the video, you guys.
Okay, yeah.
Hope you guys like the YouTube video, this YouTube video. Please smack that like button, subscribe, and do anything you can. You guys, and goodbye. Peace out.